All right, guys, so really easy video today, guys. I want to show you how to open up your scientific calculator here on an iPhone. And it's in plain sight, but it's kind of hidden. Down here, there is a calculator icon. You would hit that. We have the basic one set up, but we are just going to select scientific. And there you go. You unlock all of this stuff that used to be on calculators, and you can only get it on those really expensive calculators, but now it's in our phone. Um, Turn it sideways, you still retain all the things. And yeah, that's how you get to the scientific calculator. Math notes, don't know what this is, to be honest with you, but I did. If you do the convert in basic, you can also convert uh, currencies. So what is 52 US dollars is $44 in euros. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. If it does, if you could like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.